I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 38 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is an image of water, and I have got this from my Cut and Collage book, something that represents a song or a band. I've got these two ladies playing. They're looks like clarinets. We have got a landmark. I have got this. Organic shapes. I figure you can't get more organic than flowers. A key. I cut this from an old catalog page. And the bonus is a neutral color, and I'm using the background for that. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I am doing pretty good. I cannot complain. So let's see what we're going to do with this. I have got my water down here, and I thought it would be fun to have them standing on there playing their clarinets. This is somewhere in Cornwall. And then maybe have my flower and my key. Figure these two girls travel, but they like to come home to Cornwall. And I don't think I have room for these other ones. Let's see. I do know I want that. I just think it'll be grounded there. This definitely isn't from Cornwall. I believe it's Roman. Okay. I do like the whole of this flower to show. I think I'm going to stick with the something like that. I'm going to just tuck that in under there because it's really the key that, I don't know. I like that. That's pretty. Do I want to add? I don't even think that color goes that well. See, I like that. Okay. Let's start getting some of this down. There hasn't been a whole lot going on here. And I guess that's a good thing sometimes. I am going to that there. See all the places these girls have traveled and seen. Oh, I do like that behind her. I just don't think that color goes well. And really that one doesn't either, but I do like that, so that's what I'm going to do. girls down. And get my flour down. I got most of everything out of the cut and collage book. There's a few items I didn't get from there. It served me well this time. Clip that there. And see, I'll put this on his cardstock. So just to add a little something. And me get my lock and key. And there we go. So we have got, let me see here. I'll lose more things. And I try to be neat. All right, we have got an image of water, something that represents a song or band, a landmark, organic shape, and a key, and the bonus is neutral color. So I'll do like that. So now I'm just going to put some little definition here. Just to help it pop. Oops. So excited. Maggie of Journaling with Maggie, she had a giveaway and I won. I can't wait to see what I get. I'm excited. She's very talented. She's new and I highly recommend you go check her out. Me sharpen this Stabila All. I have met a lot of creators that have started out and they really have impressed me. I'll do the flower. Go around that. Just give a little definition. Okay, now we'll take my water pen. This time I'm going to go around. Just a little bit. There we go. Almost done. And there we are. like that. And now all I need to do is to add some gold splatters. So let me spray this. And I say we're done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And leave a comment. It really helps my channel grow. It doesn't cost anything. And I need all the help I can get. So, I hope you enjoyed it. And please take care. I love you. Have a wonderful week. And until next time, bye, y'all.